Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate-covered strawberries. First, gather your ingredients and prepare your workspace. Select about 1 pound of fresh, firm strawberries, ensuring they still have their green stems. Gently wash them and then, most importantly, dry each one completely. Any water can cause your chocolate to seize. Finally, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Now, let's melt the chocolate. You'll need about 12 ounces of good quality chocolate, like semi-sweet or milk chocolate. You can use a double boiler for a gentle melt or microwave it in 30-second bursts, stirring well after each interval. The key is to melt it slowly and evenly until it's completely smooth and glossy, without any lumps. Time for the fun part, dipping. Hold a strawberry by its stem and submerge it into the melted chocolate, twisting gently to coat about 2/3 of the berry. Lift it out, letting any excess chocolate drip back into the bowl. Carefully place each dipped strawberry onto your prepared parchment-lined baking sheet. If you want to add sprinkles or other decorations, do it now before the chocolate sets. Once all your strawberries are dipped and decorated, place the baking sheet in the refrigerator. Let them chill for about 15 to 30 minutes, or until the chocolate is completely firm to the touch. They are best enjoyed fresh, but can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 days. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, check the description below for a link to some amazing socks and more. Enjoy your delicious homemade chocolate-covered strawberries.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.